Well, hi everyone. My name is Dr Caroline Bowman and I am the Interim Head of School of Psychology at Bangor University. I just wanted to spend a little time telling you about why I love the School of Psychology at Bangor, and I really hope that you'll think about applying to join us for your studies. So I've been in Bangor for a really long time. I moved here to study for my PhD many years ago, and I just never left because I love it so much. I found the sense of community within the school and also the location of Bangor to really suit me really very well. So when I talk about a sense of community, I like that there are some real opportunities to form relationships with staff members. Staff typically have their doors open. You're very able to get in touch with staff whenever you need to. We have what's known as an emergency tutor system, which means that if you need any pastoral care, so for example, you might have fallen ill, you need an extension for an essay, or you just need a little bit of advice about something going wrong in your life, you will find that between 9 to 5, Monday to Friday, there's always somebody available that you can just cold call, either on the phone or in their office, to make sure that you've got an opportunity to discuss the things that you might need to discuss. And I think this really gives you a sense of belonging as much as anything else. We also have some really great clubs and societies for our students to really help enhance that feeling as well. But I think for me, most importantly, certainly what I've found as being a former student at Bangor, is that I really was able to connect with psychology as a science in being taught by some of the best people in the world. So we have got research scientists within our school who play on a major stage, and learning from them, listening to what they have to say about psychology is just absolutely, it's mind-blowing sometimes. We also in the UK are rated really highly for student experience, for student satisfaction, and we're top in Wales for that actually. So we know that when students join us, they're really happy when they're with us, and part of that is about the opportunities that you have when you come to study with us. So the opportunity to really stretch yourself, to be really challenged, to learn about the most current, cutting edge things within psychology. And that's just so important. You will be the psychologists of the future. And for me, that actually also blows my mind, to think that I am working with the people that will make a difference in the world in years to come. You will be the clinical psychologists, the forensic psychologists, the educational psychologists, the organizational psychologists, all of the other types of psychologists you could be. You could be the counselors, you could be the therapists, you could be the teachers, you could go on to become medical doctors. You might decide to use your skills from psychology and the things that you have learned and apply them and go into management, for example, in retail or in human resources for big businesses. The skills that we give you will enable you to have that flexibility. And it's just amazing to me. It's a real privilege to be able to teach the future, and we really like to nurture our students. With that in mind, we spend a lot of time thinking about our student mental health and well-being, and in particular resilience. Sometimes when you're studying at university, it can be extremely challenging. So we feel that as part of your toolkit, we have to enable you to become resilient. And we embed that into our program to give you those opportunities to develop. I'm really proud of the experience that we offer here at Bangor. The only way for you to experience that is to come and join us. If you can certainly come and join us for a virtual open day, we can answer all of the questions that you might have about the design of the course, the options that you may be able to take as you join us, the unique things that no other university might offer you, and to just get a sense of who we are, what we can give you, because this is a great big choice for you, and the rest of your life is so important, and it starts now, doesn't it? You're making that decision now for the rest of your life. And also, if you join us for an open day, you'll get to speak to current students, and they'll always give you the truth about, who we are and what we can offer you. In any case, that's, I guess, in a nutshell, why I love Bangor University and the School of Psychology at Bangor. And I really, really hope that you'll think about applying and coming to join us. And if you have any questions, then just give us a shout and we'll make sure that they're answered. Take care. Goodbye.